Hi, friend. Great afternoon. Marian Santos from the Philippines and potentials.com signing at our channel. So, let's study God's Word. So, ang daily hope natin ni Pastor Rick Warren today is make the right decision, not just a fast one. So, yung Bible verse natin is from Daniel 2 verse 16. Daniel went at once to see the king and requested more time to tell the king what the dream meant. So, sabi ni Pastor Rick Warren, where you're asked to do something that seems impossible, stand by, refusing to panic, and by getting all the facts. Then you need to ask for more time. So, parang it's what Daniel did, no? Nung nalaman niyang parang there's a plan to execute yung mga kings, mga wise men. He asked for time from the king so that, kumbaga, he will be able to assist him dun sa interpretation ng kanyang dream. So, sabi niya, we tend to be impulsive when there are certain rush things that we have to make a decision. Not thinking rationally or thinking emotionally and tempted to make a decision. So, sometimes we are rushed. We want to readily make a decision, not considering or gathering yung facts that we need to research on or find out. And next is asking time to resolve yung issue. And sabi niya, take wisdom. It takes wisdom to make a wise decision, right decision. So, let's take a deep breath muna, calm down, and talk to God. Ayan, we need God's guidance. So, dun sa Daniel 2 verse 16 nga, di ba? He asked for time and talk to God. So, baka yun minsan ang kulang natin. We rush to make certain decisions or quick decisions without the right facts or information that we need. Kaya, we tend to make the wrong decisions. Before you do anything, get God's perspective on the issue. A man is a fool to trust himself, but those who use God's wisdom are safe. That's Proverbs 28 verse 26. So, minsan kasi, if we just rely on ourselves, we have the wrong information and we are rash. So, yun, we tend to make sometimes crazy decisions. So, it is more important to make the right decision, not just yung quick decision. To make a right decision, we need God's wisdom. To get God's wisdom, we need to ask from Him. Spend time with God and His Word. So, yung Proverbs 19 verse 2, remember, take your time because haste makes mistakes. Ayan, sa kakrush natin, doon tayo nagkakaroon ng mga errors in judgment, di ba? So, ano ba yung ating talk it over? Have you ever rushed to a decision that you later regretted? How did that work out? So, friend, na-experience mo ba yan na you make fast decision, not considering all the facts, not even asking God for guidance? So, what is the result? How did it turn out? Sabi nga. Next is, what step can you take to establish a more consistent quiet time so that you have a dedicated time to sit thoroughly with God and His words and hear from Him? So, yan siguro yung ako, like, I need to develop that, yung having quiet time with the Lord. I have my prayer time, yung aking novena to the Mother of Perpetual Help, my daily rosary, yan, ginagawa po natin yan religiously every day, especially during the pandemic, no, na marami tayong challenges in the environment. So, but yung finding time to talk to God and converse, siguro parang limited or it is not so often. Hindi ko lang alam, yung pagbabasa o pagsusulat is considering conversing with the Lord. How can monitoring Proverbs 19 verse 2 help slow you down when making a decision? Ano ba yung Proverbs 19.2? Remember, take your time because haste makes mistakes. So, yan. Yun bang, sabi nga, how do we do it? First is we have to calm down, don't panic. Next is we have to ask for extension or more time. Gather facts pala. The second is gather facts, then ask for more time. And the last but not the least is asking God for wisdom or guidance or sabi nga, spending quiet, establish natin yung spending quiet time with the Lord. Baka yun yung kulang sa life natin. We do pray, but we have to have our daily conversations with the Lord. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.